Hey, this is Angel at LAV, and this is a good check of the day. So, this truck came in today, and we're having exhaust leak issues. It could be an easy check, difficult check, depending what you're looking for. In this case, I took the splash shield off here to reference, but I'm going to show you this gasket to show you how severe this leak was. So the complaint was he was smelling a lot of exhaust fumes in the cab, and what can happen is you have leaks coming from this, specifically from this clamp, that can go inside and cause a lot of issues, and it's very dangerous. It's a good check to see if you see any smoke or if it's running or soot. In this case, you have to make sure that it's not hot. You don't want to burn yourself, but grab some screwdriver pliers or rag. Make sure you're not burning yourself. You can see in this case, this clamp is extremely loose. This is exactly how I saw it loose. It's kind of hard to tell if you don't move it, but if you're familiar working on things, which most people do, most people don't, it is what it is. But this can honestly save your life if you catch it. You know, if you see soot, again, right there. And if you were doing a regen, you can definitely see this. Obviously, you wouldn't touch it because it'd be hot, but this is a cold engine, was sitting all day. So, yeah, that's not good.